to stop it from moving. The emergency brakes on this vehicle do not work, so you want to here. All right, the next step we're gonna do is get us our engine support. You definitely want to go back in there with no problem. All right, let's get those 3 out, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got bolts. We got one right here.
Sorry, let's drop the camera.
See, I'm taking it down a little bit.
Through. And that's all I see is your hand.
Now, okay, and as you can see, the whole bracket and every wrench, it might be too tight, so let's try the socket. And you want to get a 6-point. It is shorter, and you'll be able to get a lot more swing in it. All right, you see, I got it loose. I'm gonna go maybe come out here and hit it, and if it works, that'll be great. This would be cool. Yeah, every time I'm hitting it, I'm turning it a little bit more. So I'm gonna keep on. So you could tell by the discoloration right around here, this thing was getting hot. This thing was touching up against. I tap new threads into here, and I'm gonna screw that in as much as we can.